Hi.
Hi.
Look. Okay, so this is a birds and bee video for Mikala and Zombie. Who's the bees and who's the birds? Mikala, are you the bird or are you the bee?
She's a bee. She has a stinger.
I think that's Zombie.
Are you sure? She ate your pasta.
It's not pasta, it's spaghetti. Okay, so Mikala and Zombie wanted to borrow my house when we weren't there and it was vacant. I don't even know what that word means.
Empty.
No, really, dumb fuck. I'm not a fucking dumbass. I know what it means. That's why they wanted to use it, because it was empty. So they could have the birds and the bees talk. And get it on. Okay, so yeah. And then they wanted to use my chopsticks with Mikala's noodles.
I never thought of it that way.
Well, you can think of it like a painting. Zombie's the paintbrush and the paint is a cut off.
Congratulations, you've been selected to receive a free photo.
Woo!
Visit vistaprint.com/Pandora2010 or